Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Jacobazzi from Fix Me Physical Therapy, and I'm going to talk about neuropathy patient experiences that we've had over the past few weeks. 4 patients in particular. The first two, Andres and Jose. Jose started first, Andres started shortly after. Came into the office, and they were what we call a type 1 patient. Type 1 patient is basically there's really nothing that I can do that would stop them from moving forward once they know that the program will work, meaning we can accept them to the program and they're a good candidate. They basically will move mountains to move forward, and both of them did so. They said, yes, hey, let's do it, let's get it done. They're doing their equipment at home, they're following the eating program, they're taking the supplements, they're getting in the office, they're doing their visits there, and both of them at about 1 month and 2 weeks at the end of that time period came in the office and reported me, hey doc, I'm sleeping through the night now. I don't have any pain, or I have minimal pain at work, and I'm feeling great. And they thanked us for it. We have the testimonial up for Andres already, and we'll be getting the testimonial from Jose and his wife, Evelyn, this week, because they're over the moon happy about what's going on. And then, of course, in another video that I've done, which I haven't posted yet because it's a little bit sad, actually, is about Raul's patient who didn't make the decision. He got caught in what I call the paralysis of analysis. So he's more concerned about, oh, hey, it's going to cost me a little bit of money out of pocket, and I'm not sure it's going to work, and my doctor tells me that I can just go on a new drug trial. And for Raul, things are not working out. I got a call from his podiatrist. It was last week, so about a week and a day ago. And she said that Raul had an incredibly bad infection in his foot that started in his toe from a cut that was very minor at first, and wasn't able to stop it. They weren't able to stop it with antibiotics, and now she thinks that they're going to have to take Raul's leg below his knee. And granted, that's not everybody's experience who doesn't enroll in the program. But what we know about neuropathy is that it is always progressive and it is always degenerative. And so if you don't change how you're dealing with the problem, you're not going to move anywhere. You're going to move somewhere, you're going to go in the wrong direction. It's going to get worse. It's just a question of when. How long is it going to take? And then at the beginning of this week, quite a delight. I had a patient come in. We'll call her Mary, because I don't have her permission to use her name yet. Call her Mary. And Mary is 96 years old, and she's been experiencing neuropathy for, she said, at least 5 years. She understands that the drugs, the medications aren't doing it. She doesn't want injections. She certainly doesn't want surgery. And she had a little bit of a difficulty making a decision, because for her there was some out-of-pocket costs. But at the end of the day, she's like, you know what, I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna take a chance, and I'm excited because I know she's gonna work the plan, and I'm looking forward to that day when she comes into the office and says, hey doc, I'm sleeping through the night. My pain's less. I don't have to rely on my walker as much, and I'm feeling better, I'm sleeping better, and so I feel better, my mood's better, and I love hearing that. And that's what happens with all the patients so far. We haven't had any exceptions yet. Not saying they won't exist, but we've been lucky, we've been on a streak, and all of the patients that we've taken into our program have gotten excellent results. And so if you're struggling with neuropathy and you haven't been able to find help, give us a call, we're here to help. Our phone number is 773-852-3335, and I'll post information down below as far as where you can email us. We're here to help in this program. For overall, there's over 500 doctors doing it across the United States. There's a 97% success rate, which is just phenomenal. It works so well. It helps the body heal itself. And we're here to help you if you want our help. Thanks, and have a great day.